Hi, Kara. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on Chapter 6. I appreciated your recognition with technology and how that has changed education for the better. I think you kind of hit it right on the head when you said we're preparing our kids for their first job. So I like how you also mentioned that y'all are using Makerspace in your schools. One of the things that you kept saying about that is collaboration. And I also appreciated how there was a lot of discussion or a lot of talk that you mentioned about creating and using literacy to drive that with your literacy leaders and the collaboration that y'all use. I feel like I can imagine when you said you create a unit together, that your students are able to go deeper when y'all are working on this as a class. I'm curious to know when exactly y'all have time to work on that and create those, if that's during the day or if that's something you guys build in at the end of the day, or is it something that people are so passionate about that they're already doing? But you came back to and always kept coming back to that collaboration with others, not just for the teachers to do that as they're creating, but for the students to be able to do that as well. I think that really one of the things I'm learning from all of the literacy, our text, is that we are modeling and doing everything we're asking our students to do. And so I think that's really important. You also mentioned with the charter school the insight to literacy leadership and how that structure and focus on all staff, being focused on all staff and students being lifelong learners, and how all voices are valued. I think that for everyone to feel valued, every staff member has to be incredibly impactful, because everyone would feel important and everyone would feel like they could, as you said, share their opinions. So I'm curious, how do people share their thoughts or opinions? How is that information collected? Because I'm curious to know so that maybe that's something we could implement at our school. So thank you for sharing your thoughts, and I am looking forward to hearing what your ideas are.